the tourism footfall has increased, and I was just talking to some cooperative society some time ago also, even in West Khasi Hills district and in this location called Maupando, and they said that they are full, they're packed. And so tourists are not only coming to popular destinations like Shillong, Sora, Shnong Pradeng, Dauki, they're spreading out also to other locations, and therefore we are happy about that, and government is also aware of this and trying to create newer circuits so that we can spread tourism to other parts of the state, so that the benefits of tourism are spread to all parts of the state. And because we know that the state of Meghalaya is very beautiful, every region of the state has unique features, every district has its own beauty, its own stories to tell. So we're trying to tap into that potential of each part of the state and creating infrastructure in all parts of the state.